As an educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado, I visit over a dozen schools every week. This gives me a unique perspective as to the everyday trials and triumphs of the teachers in those schools. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company. Come with me as I show you the view from the road. Well, greetings and welcome to the view from the road. The weather is amazing today. We're going to hit the mid-60s, which compared to the -0 that we were last week is a vast improvement. And you can feel it. It's changing people's moods, as it always does when it starts feeling like spring. I'm not holding out hope that this is actually it, but here we are. This week out on the road, there's been a lot going on for repair stuff, and that makes a ton of sense. We've got CBA this week, so we've got a lot of bands performing for that, and we're going to have repair tables at that. And by the time this publishes, we'll be at CBA doing all of that. But you've got spring break coming up, and then you've got concerts and performances and all that coming up. So if you're going to be bringing in instruments for repair to be checked out, do it sooner than later. Everybody has the same idea. They're like, oh, we're going to be away for a week at spring break, we'll bring in our horn. First in, first out. So if you have needs, maintenance that you've been deferring and you really want to get it done, get it in as soon as you can, because we definitely want to make sure everybody has instruments that work and that are going to be doing what they need to be doing for their performances. The other thing that we're in the midst of, and I keep talking about it, is tryout nights. We're really in the thick of it now. If you need to schedule one, if you're a teacher and need to do that, please contact us. But otherwise, we're happy to do that. We can provide materials, instruments and sanitizing supplies. We're running a little low on a couple instruments, but we'll make it through. Don't worry about that. But people is always the problem that we have with that in terms of bodies to help with the tryouts. So usually what we recommend with that is to contact local universities, specifically CSU. Dr. Eric Johnson is fantastic with providing names of people and trying to help staff that kind of stuff. So we'll do what we can, but as everyone knows, finding people to do stuff can be a little bit challenging. But future music educators, they should be getting out there and doing this and having contact with kids and getting some experience with it, because that's your chosen profession. So anyway, that's what we're doing here. We're making it work. Oh, and then so this week's a short week because of parent-teacher conferences. So student contact anyway, it makes it a short week. And then one more week, and then we're off on spring break. So we are definitely in the velocity. I mean, March is going to be half over before you even know it, and it just started today. So that's your view from the road. I know it's a frantic and hectic, and wouldn't want it any other way. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch up with you next time. Thank you for riding along and seeing the view from the road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.